Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do an oil change on the 2001 Mercedes Benz C320, and of course it's a V6. Takes about 8.5 quarts of oil, and this one is basically easy. I love this one because the other ones they recommend you use like a pump, which is more expensive, and you just pump out the oil. But this one we're going to drain it from below. This right here is the oil filter. Basically, this is the oil cap, and I'm gonna be using Castrol Edge 5W30 full synthetic motor oil extended performance, and I use this clamp right here to take off the oil filter basically. And let's get down to business. This is how the old oil filter looks just like this. Just like this, guys. Means it look no good. You have your two seals at the top. As you can see, two seals, another seal, and another seal right there at the bottom. So look how dirty it is. Basically, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's real dirty. The oil basically needed to change. And you want to hold the camera while I'm...
Yeah, I am the infamous.
Okay.
This is the infamous, man.
Yeah. Okay, so basically, I don't have no tools to take this off, but we're gonna get it off somehow. And this is the pain. Okay, let me start with the filter. This is the old filter, as you can see, real dirty, black, and this is basically done. This time is up. Yeah, the time is up with that. Remove the seal. That's one seal. This is the second seal right here. I should have a flathead. A flathead will do you guys a better job, guys. Because this is a pain to get off with your own fingers. Yeah, it's a pain to get off with your fingers. Alright, I'm gonna have to edit this part out. What? You basically have 1, 2, 3 seals that you gotta remove and replace it. The new seal is supposed to come in the new filter box. So you gotta remove the first one, as you've seen that I removed before, the second one right here, the third, and the fourth. And you're basically gonna need a flathead. But I'm gonna edit this part out because, as you can see, I don't have no tools, so I'm gonna have to get a flathead and do it that way. Alright guys, I'm back. I replaced the seal right here and right here, and tell y'all the truth, I don't have the damn tool to get these one off, which these is not really necessary, to tell y'all the truth. They say that it's necessary, but it really don't. The one that's mostly important is the one at the bottom to seal the top. But this is the oil filter, and I already replaced it. I'm about to put it in when I finish draining some oil. Let's get down to business. Okay, down here is where the oil plug is. As you can see, it's here at the bottom, and it takes a 13 millimeter socket to take off the bolts. This is 13, and you need a wrench. Take it off. And let's drain some oil. Let me get that out of the way. Kind of hard to hold the camera once again and do it, but I got it under control. I should be used to this by now. Oh, and there it is, guys. Oil is draining. This is the bolt, as you can see. And the bolt have a seal also with it. It's a 13. Remember that? It's a 13 millimeter to take off the drain plug bolt. 13 millimeter, guys. Okay, let that drain out. It's probably gonna take you about, I said, probably about 3 minutes to get it drained out. Oh yes, and don't forget to take off that shield at the bottom. You know that the covering shield is a 8. It's a 8 millimeter bolt, and it's an 8 millimeter socket to take it off. You know, it's very easy and simple. It's like about 10 screws to take off the whole shield at the bottom. It takes me probably about what, like 5 to 7 minutes. It's not that hard. It's not that bad. But just remember, it's an 8 millimeter bolt to take off at the bottom for the bottom shield for this Mercedes. Okay, guys, I put it back together. The drain plug is back on, as you can see right there. Drain plug is back on. Now it's time to put basically put the oil filter in.
Ooh, it's dripping.
Oh yeah, dirty oil still in there. Problem with that.
You sure it'll be okay just dripping on there like
That's
that?
good. No problem with that. Trust me. Alright. And you really don't need the tool to tighten this back up. I don't know why they be doing that. Try to over tighten it. You use your manpower and hand power to basically tighten this. Look up. This is the oil filter filtrate
Wait,
oil.
this is where it dips?
That's basically you could use the the pump, but I don't like the pump.
Just drain that shit.
Yeah, drain it from the bottom, the old-fashioned way, how it's supposed to be. You pump in, and whatever oil that sit at the bottom of the pan is still gonna be there. So do it the old-fashioned way, best way to do it. All right, and time to drain. Actually, to pour. Time to pour the oil. All right, we're about to go pour the oil. Go ahead. This is 5 quarts, and as I said, we use Castrol Edge Extended Performance, protects up to 15,000 miles, 5W30, advanced full synthetic motor oil, guys. And this vehicle, it takes 8.5 quarts of
Two
oil.
of these, so 2 of these is enough.
Not really two. One, one, one and some. It's actually 8.5. You gotta read. It give you a reader at the side of the bottle, so you should know how much to pouring. But this one is 5 quarts, pouring the whole thing. Yeah, pour the whole thing.
Oh shit. Did I leave that on top?
Take off the top. Take the top off. Yeah. Yeah, pour the whole thing. Yeah, pour all of it. Just keep pouring. This is 8.5, so by the time the bottle get close to half, we should know. You read it from the back, from the bottle. Keep pouring, keep pouring. Alright, want to read it? Alright, basically, we still got more to pour.
How much we gonna stop at?
Supposed to stop right 2.5 right here.
Right there?
Yeah. So we already poured the first bottle, which is 5 quarts. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.5. So still got more.
Almost
More.
there.
Yeah.
A little bit more. That should be Gucci.
There you go. Start the engine. Make sure there's no leaks at the bottom, which I already checked. Make sure there's no leaks. And that's how you do it, guys. 8.5 quarts, Mercedes Benz oil change done, C320. Yeah, C320 2001, and that's how you do it, guys. V6 motor, no engine problems. That's how you do oil change. And thank you guys for watching this quick video. Please like and subscribe. And bye bye, we're out.